Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and today's short tutorial, I just want to share with you guys and show you how you can create and make a 3D effect inside of Canva, of course. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer and I'll show you how to do it and try for yourself, okay? Let's do this. Alright, so now we are here in Canva and we're going to create a 3D effect. So first I'm going to, okay, let's get this presentation. Click this one and then let's put some background on this blank template. I'm going to the elements here, type some background. Okay, I'm gonna set this as a background, and then what we're gonna do next is we're going back to the elements and let's get some frames. Take the frames and you can choose any frames that you want. Okay, let's see what we can get. Let's get this okay, let's get these 4 frames. I'm gonna make this a little bigger so you can see, guys. All right, there you go. And then we're going back to elements and then let's type some, let's say running dogs. Okay, so I'm going to go to the photos so that it makes a little bit real. So I'm gonna get dog that is running around here. Okay, let's see this dog over here. All right, and then let's get the same dog at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to remove the background and then let's try to put it here. Alright, so you see, guys. Alright, so now you see, guys, it's just a 3D that you will see that the dog is coming out of the phone, just like that, an easy way that you can do it. Okay, let's find some dog over here. Okay, let's say him. I'm gonna put him here inside, and then one more time put it back to remove the background for this second one. Just click the background remover and then we're going to bring this back over here so it makes like 3D. Okay, I'm going to align this one over here, and as you see, guys, all right, there you go. So now here is one of the 3D. Okay, I'm going to group this one and then I'm gonna make one more. Okay, so I'm just gonna put here and let's get another one. So let's go again to elements and let's get some frames again here. All right, let's get this background and I'm just gonna put this set. Oh, there you go. And then let's go back again to elements. Let's try some frames again. Maybe let's get this one. Okay, it's the computer. And then we're going back to the elements. And okay, let's say let's do sharks. All right, we're shark. Let's go to the photos, get this one, and then I just put over here, and then we're going to do the same thing. I'm gonna get the same shark here, and then I'm going to remove the background. Right, so once we remove the background, we just make it sure that we will put it in here. All right, there you go, guys. So now you can just create this kind of 3D, but it's a little bit hard because you have to, put this into the same. No, if you do that, it's not gonna work. So what you're gonna do is just make sure that you don't touch inside. You just touch outside so you can move the shark into this and make the same size of this, just like that. All right, you can adjust it so that you can get the same size of this shark. You don't touch here in the middle, because if you do that, it will go inside if you move like that. All right, so see what happened, it goes back inside. So do not touch here. You just put your cursor here and then you can just adjust here and make it a little bit smaller if you want to, so you can do the same size. All right, there you go. So this is how you can create a 3D inside of your design, and you can play around with this, guys. It's a little bit harder. This is my first time doing this, but I just try to make a design and show you guys how you can create a 3D effect inside of Canva. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. That's how you can create a 3D effect inside of Canva. Go ahead, guys, try for yourself, make your own 3D effect, have fun creating your own design. And thank you so much for watching. And for those who are new to my channel, before you leave, please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, like, and share this video, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video every week. And to all my subscribers, hello, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.